it's Sherry. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I was able to create this really easy beachy wave hairstyle. This is one of the most requested videos that I get here from most of my viewers. They always want to see how I personally style my hair. And I know I did post a video a while back on how I styled my hair when it was shorter. Now that my hair is a little bit longer, I thought that I would do like an updated version. So this is what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. And it's basically how I always style my hair. Today I am sporting it in the middle part. Other times I always bring it to like the side part, like way inside. Today I was feeling the middle part, so this is the style that I'm going to share with you guys in this video. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this Garnier Fructis Texture Teeth Spray and spray it all over my hair to give it more texture and durability when styling. Next, I'm going to be taking my Tresemme Thermal Creations Heat Protecting Spray and spray that as well all over my hair to protect it from heat damage. Then I'm going to brush everything out to make sure that there aren't any knots and tangles. Now it's time to section my hair. This time I'm splitting it in half instead of starting right at the bottom. I find that grabbing random pieces when curling it gives it more of a natural wave kind of look. I'm not sure what kind of brand of a wand this is. All I remember is purchasing it from Winners. If I do remember, I'll post it in the description box. To start off, I'm going to grab a section at the front and curl that away from my face, leaving the ends uncurled. With the next section, I'm going to take that and curl it towards my face. And basically, I'm going to do this with each section I grab, curling it alternating ways. Now with the other side, I'm going to repeat the same thing, starting with curling away from my face and making sure to leave the ends uncurled. Once I am done curling that half of my hair, I'm going to spray some hairspray to help maintain the waves and keep its shape. And I like to scrunch up the hair to kind of bring the waves out a bit more. The hairspray I used was this Pantene Pro V Air Spray. Now for the next two layers, I'm just going to repeat the same techniques throughout. I just want to quickly say that I know my roots are bad, but pretty soon I will be touching it up as I have a new hair color in mind. So stay tuned for that, guys. When working on the top of my hair, I usually start in the middle. No real reason why, basically just a preference. Then I just work the curls around that piece. Once I've finished curling my hair, I just like to run my fingers through it, play around with it until I'm comfortable with how it looks. Then taking the texture tease spray once again, I usually like to spray it to my roots area. Then taking my fingers, I like to fluff it up, basically just to give it a bit more volume. And what's left is to play around with it a bit more until it looks the way I like it. And basically that is it. This is my look and how I like to style my medium length hair. Okay guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's very easy to do and it's super effortless. I always like to call this the effortless style hairstyle because it takes little to no effort at all, and you don't have to have like the perfect curls because you know it's just kind of like the messy beachy waves, and it's just exactly how I like my hair. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy this, it'll mean a lot to me if you give this video a thumbs up, and if you guys haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel, and when you do subscribe, hit that notification bell right beside it so that you guys can be notified to when I have a new video posted. I think that I'm going to be doing another video that I know a lot of you guys like, and that is another hair cutting video. I feel like I need to cut my hair. My hair is getting quite long, and I know that this length right now is still short, but I'm always used to having my hair like down to my waist. But I feel that I can do more with short hair. So what do you guys think? Should I cut my hair short again and do another video for you guys? Let me know because I feel like I want to do that. Other than that, that is about it for today's video. Again, thank you so much for watching. Also, follow me on my social media if you guys are not. I will post it right here. I'm on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. And I also have a Depop account for those of you guys who are into the thrifting thing. I still do that on the side as well. But yeah, that is it. I already said that like so many times, but seriously guys, that is it. Again, I love you guys, and yeah, I will see you guys next time in a new video. Bye!